Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y16, and today I'll show you how to apply a tempered glass to it, if anybody's actually interested in this. So anyway, I do have a tempered glass for a completely different phone. It doesn't really matter. Professional work here, as you can see. Anyway, inside you'll find obviously the tempered glass, which I just threw right here. Little foam, so you can throw that out. And well, there we go. And one of these garbage wipes. So we have dry and wet wipe. Some of the times the wet one is also dry. So what I recommend doing with this is just throwing out into the trash and using something like a microfiber cloth, because this will work significantly better than what these wipes can do. So to start off, simply clean off your display from all fingerprints, any kind of smudges, and any dirt on it that might be. And once it's nice and clean, I can set it to the side. You will still need the microfiber cloth in a second. Once you are ready to apply, if any dust settled, you just kind of like swipe it away. But before I start applying it, I'm going to quickly go into how I apply it. Obviously, if you're watching this, you have no freaking clue how to do it. So the way I do it is I just it really depends on the tempered glass. I assume in this case, in this phone, the tempered glass will have this kind of like cutout for the camera, the same way as this protective layer has one, as you can see right here. So if that is the case, you just kind of align the cutout with the camera and then make sure that it is positioned correctly on the top right here and here. And then while pinching the glass like this, you want to lower it down to the display. Feel the bezels. This will allow you to just position it evenly from left to right, and do the same thing at the bottom, and then just drop it onto the display. And that's basically all you do. So anyway, just gonna wipe it down once more. There we go. And let's pop it on. Peel off the number one. If you have more than one, then still number one. And there we go. Now, as you can see, it didn't go all like fully on, so when you have spots that didn't stick fully, you can just kind of push it in. And there we go. So that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.